Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I want to help and guide you on how to report another user on Discord in easy way. So make sure to watch this video until the very end so we can't miss any steps on this process. Now let's jump into the video. The new update of Discord is make it easier to report people like posting horrific and nasty things and other bad reasons. You can just go ahead and hover over their names, and in here, I will use this account for an example. And then you can go to more. When you hover over them, and there's a little pop-ups like you're going to add reaction or reply to them or create a thread. And you go to more, and here at the bottom is a little thing that says report message that you can click, and from here you can say, okay, we will clearly, this account got too spicy with me or was sending weird, and you can determine what the person did here by clicking on like. Was it spam? Was it a use or harassment? Was it harmful or misinformation? Was it X? Was it trying to dox somebody, or was it something else? Now when you go through here and pick what you want, you can then confirm the report and then simply follow all the steps, and Discord will ask you if you block this user. And that's it. So before we end this video, please hit like, share, and subscribe if you are new here.